I'm going to show you how to hide the screen in Parsec, or basically limit the connected users to one screen if that's what you want to do. And the first option is to use a dummy HDMI plug, which you can basically get online. So I'm going to show you, for example, what it looks like, which is this one right here, and it costs $5. Now you can plug that on your host machine, and this should basically create a virtual display which will basically appear in your settings. And then you can go to the host Parsec settings, and from here you want to scroll down and find the display settings and switch it to use the dummy display. And then you can turn off or unplug the actual real monitor, and this allows the users connecting to the host machine that is running Parsec to only see that virtual screen. The second option is to turn off your monitor, like the actual monitor you have. You can turn it off and your PC keeps running, and the Parsec session should be unaffected, but they shouldn't be able to see your screen. And the third option is to limit the use. So for example, you can lock the PC by going to the login screen by holding down the Windows button and then press L, and it should take you to the login screen, which will usually pause or disconnect most of the games or the apps. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.